China cannot be belong to China.
China.
No, but Tibet belongs to Tibet.
You are Indian. You do nothing. You do nothing.
You are God. No.
You're nothing.
Get out.
You're nothing to China.
China.
You're nothing.
Go back to China.
That is true.
This is Switzerland.
That is true.
This is Switzerland.
Yes.
Whoa. Come.
Let's go.
Go more. You are a wonderful singer.
Thank you.
Thank you. You are an artist, that's why, you know. So I go there.
Want me to help?
No, right?
Yeah, that's the right place.
That's the right place. Thank you, Uncle Cool.
Hey. I knew you were near. I could feel it. That's why I came in town in the morning already.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Which way you want it? This way? Down here?
You're from China?
Tibet belongs to China. That
No,
is
no,
true.
no.
No,
Tibet
no,
doesn't belong to China.
No.
Tibet
You
is a free
You
country.
know nothing.
You Chinese people
You
there,
know
Chinese
nothing.
China country.
You are
there,
outlanders.
countries
Just shut up.
We
You
will
don't
talk
have
to you.
any rights.
You have no right. This is
about
Switzerland. Go back to
No.
China.
You don't have anything right.
You have no
about
right.
China. Tibet
Tibet.
belongs to China.
Tibet belongs to Tibet. China out of Tibet.
No, you are not Tibet. You are not Chinese.
China out of Tibet. Look at this guy. Point it.
I have the right to speak. I want.
China out of Tibet. Can you point it to
I have
me?
the right.
China out of Tibet. China, go out. This is Switzerland. Go out.
You are not Tibet. You are to go to Tibet.
China, go out of Tibet.
That's your shit. I know.
China out of Tibet.
Tibet belongs to China.
No, Tibet belongs to Tibet. Go away. Hey, this is Switzerland. Ja.
Wil je filmen polizei of filmen militair gaan? Nu is een begeleider.
So did you see this Chinese? Huh? China out of Tibet. Hey, this is Switzerland. Shut up. Oh, yeah. Come here. Come here. Hey, talk to me. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Come here.
You film it, I
No,
watch.
film it.
I watch for you.
Yeah. No.
You film it, huh?
Come.
I make his bodyguard, right?
Come.
Oh, this way. Okay. I'm stand
Yeah.
behind you, eh?
China, get out of Tibet.
No way.
You get out.
No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. Free Tibet. Get out of. No way. China, get out of. No way. China, get out of. Belong to China. China. No.
But Tibet belongs to Tibet.
You are Indian. You do nothing. You do nothing.
No.
You're nothing.
China, go back to China.
That is true.
This is Switzerland.
That is true.
This is Switzerland.
Yeah, I have a right to all my say.
Get out, get out.
That is Switzerland.
Get out, get out.
Yeah. You get out back. You whenever you want.
Get out, get out.
Whenever you come.
Hey, I am here. I'm in Switzerland.
Not because
What do you want to do?
Yeah, you have your right to speak.
Every
Right to
nicht so machen.
That is true.
Get out. Ja, ich wollte nur das hier
Ja,
alles
Cops.
flirtig